Chuka.
What's going on YouTube and car lovers around the world? My name is Fatty. Welcome back to my channel. So today, meeting with the guys. Check it out. We got this we got the sick R33 sedan owned by no other. Got Josh right in the house right here. Yo, check him out.
WJP Media.
WJP Media. Check it out on YouTube, Instagram, with his sick ass R33.
Trash.
So it's pretty much a sedan. It's freaking amazing. And then we got over here Buddy WRX with these hella nice flush fitment. And then we got this R32 GTR. Damn. You can check them out. DSI GTR. Check his Instagram out if you guys want to see more of his WRX. Jaded WRX on Instagram. And then DSI GTR, YouTube, Instagram. If you want to check out this sick R32 right here. It's amazing. So with the US being able to import right-hand drive cars now legally for like 93s or 94, a lot of people want to jump into the right-hand drive market, so then they'll ask us the question, what do you expect when owning a right-hand drive car? So we're going to give you 5 things what to expect when owning a right-hand drive car. So here we go. All right, number 5, your turn signals. Your turn signals is on the right hand versus the left hand, so everything is reversed. So when you want to turn on your turn signal, it'll be on your right hand side, and your left hand will be your wipers and your washers. That's one thing you gotta look out for when driving, because you gotta remember which side your turn signals are at.
Especially if you're going back and forth between right-hand drive and left-hand drive.
That wasn't me talking. That was the guy.
So Stan can give you a little insight. So sometimes you'll confuse yourself when you're switching cars, and all of a sudden you turn on your wiper blades. Yeah, that happens a couple of times, so expect that.
Yeah, turn my.
You said turn something, so
Oh, yeah.
turn signals.
Yeah, turn signal.
There you go. All right. So number 4 is when going to your car, you're gonna forget that you're on the right-hand side. So when you're walking to your car, you're gonna realize that, oh, it's gonna be on your right hand versus your left. So that's a lot of things that most left-hand drive cars owner will get into when owning a right-hand drive car. All right, number 3 is going to be people coming up to your car and telling you you're on the wrong side. So we got Stan over here. He can tell you what his trick is when people
I
say
just
that.
tell them, no, this is the right.
Yeah, so it's the right, and they be like,
They're like, no, it's the wrong. And I'm like, no, this is the right. They're like, oh, haha, I see what you did there.
so little quick witty remark, but typically you get those instances where people are gonna come to you and say,
And
hey,
it's like you've never heard it before.
yeah, it's gonna be a lot, so expect that when you're driving on a freeway, when you're stopped at for gas, or anywhere you're at, they're gonna tell you that. So just be on the lookout, you're gonna get those a lot. When you're driving on your right hand side, you're gonna tend to steer off to the left And the reason why is because you're used to your left-hand side, so when you're on your right, you feel naturally that you're drifting to your right. Then you want to compensate it back to your left, but in reality you are on the right side and you are driving correctly. It's just that your brain is trying to compensate that you're steering to your right. So you're gonna get that a lot. Even if you're making turns, you're gonna overcompensate to the left versus to the right because it feels like you're going way more to your right than you normally should, but you're not. So be sure on the lookout when you're driving to stay on your right hand and make sure that you're not drifting over to your left. All right, and number one, the scariest thing is when you're driving on the right hand side and you're making a left hand turn, you don't have that visibility when making left hand turn because you're on your right side. So that means that if there's a car in front of you oncoming traffic making a left hand turn, let's just say hypothetically a big truck, you won't be able to see oncoming traffic. So what you have to do is you're gonna have to lean further more to the left just to see if there's oncoming traffic. So that's one of the scariest things because you don't know what to expect. So just make sure you're safe. Make sure I would say stay a little longer than normal. The car behind you might get pissed, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure it's clear and then make your left hand turn. So all right guys, that's pretty much the 5 tips that I got for you when owning a right-hand drive car. Can't wait to see you guys' builds. Can't wait to see what kind of cars you guys import from Japan or any other cars in the world that's right-hand drive. Just comment below on what kind of car you guys got. Can't wait to see it. So until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.